In this video, I am going to show you what they had before the tape measure was invented. There it is, a folding ruler. And the tape measure, I think, would be the instrument of choice for most carpenters today, but this is what they used. Back then, you just simply folded it out in sections, butted it up against the edge of your piece of lumber. You weren't going to be hooking over anything like a tape measure. And then making your mark. There it is at 10 inches. Now let's double check it with the tape measure there. Nice, right on the money. So I checked it, I measured everything, and the only thing I could see is from tip to tip, there was, I think some rulers were 7 inches. This was about 1/8 of an inch short. So you wouldn't be able to just take the section of the ruler and mark at one end and then mark the other end. That just wouldn't be happening. So there it is, folding ruler. If you flip it over, you have 1 through 72 inches on one side, and then you flip it over and then you have the reverse on the other side. And this all makes sense. You're kind of thinking like, why would it be like that? But if you turn it over, you can see where it's 1 to 6 inches on each side. So that would help you if you were measuring something. You don't have to think about which side you're going to use. You can grab either side and start marking, of course. So the folding ruler there, and of course the tape measure there. Now the real question here is, how many of you have used one of these before? Now I personally have never used one. I got this off of the internet and bought it for the sole purpose of making a video to show people about them. I've heard about them, heard people using them before, but if you have used one, then I would love to hear your reasoning behind it, why you used one of these instead of a tape measure.